Good morning.
Good morning.
Ukraine, they donated some food items to Nigeria. What can you say to that?
It's a shame now. How could Ukraine? Ukraine is at war for how many years now, fighting USSR, and Nigeria, that is, enjoying all these years. Nigeria was at war last 57 years ago, and someone that is presently engaging Russia at fierce battle is giving help to Nigeria. Nigerian government has subjected us to international ridicule. That is laughter. Serious war.
Even Peter Obi said that it's a disgrace.
We are laughing stock this time around. People are laughing at us because Tinubu administration has turned us to a hungry nation, up to the level of asking a country we should be helping at war, sending relief to them, money. We are asking them to give us food. And actually they have sent it in tons. Nigeria is a beggar now. Tinubu administration has failed everybody because the kind of ridicule, he subjected us to.
But he said we should give him time.
No. You don't give time to a person. Nobody gave a passenger time during his tenure. Jonathan did not say, give me time. Yaradua did not do same. And when Alex Oti started with, the same time Tinubu started last year, Alex Oti has developed Abia State. Go see by yourselves. Alex Oti did not blame Okezie Ekpazu or Joseph Okalu, Teodoji, all those previous governors in Abia State. Alex Oti started with the resources he met in Abia Treasury. Are you listening to me? Abia Government Treasury. He has gone further now. The most powerful plant station now in Nigeria, if not in West Africa, is in Abia State. And Abia State, this is the 5th day uninterrupted power supply. Abia State has broken what? Record. Guinness Book of Record. The first state in Nigeria to have enjoyed this kind of benefit is Abia State. Under 9 months, Tinubu is asking for more time to loot Nigeria more time to fly abroad there and plan with some banks so that money from public fund in Nigeria will be flowing into that account. See, nobody is gullible again. Nobody is gullible.
Everybody knows why.
Tinubu has no excuse. Tinubu is the worst president Nigeria has ever. He's leading now because I don't know what he's doing. Nobody is ever coming out with the fact.
He just came out from Qatar.
That Tinubu went to Qatar to invite them as investors. What? Invite them for where? No security here, no light. How are they coming to invest? They will produce 1 hour. They will buy diesel 2 hours. And the Boko Haram will produce some of the staff out of the country, out of the company, 2 hours. So what are you investing here? Okay, let me tell you, the man is just ridiculing himself. He doesn't know what he's doing. The man is confused, absolutely a confused person as I'm talking to you.
Yeah. Okay, and last, Nigeria lost one of the, I would say, legend of the film industry, the comedian, the man that brought so many laughter to so many families, Mr. Ibu. So what can you say to that?
I think we are in a sober reflection this time. Everybody is mourning. It's a national mourning, both big and small. Internationally, Nigerians over there, our friendly countries over there, everybody is mourning with us the death of Mr. Ibu. That's John Okafor.
Yes.
John Okafor acting spans from 1970s till date. I could remember the drama, just like a drama.
Yeah.
He was partaking in 1981. I could remember. And it shocked me because when I learned he was amputated, one of the legs, it pained me. I think.
No, I think it's the 2 legs.
Oh, the 2 legs?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, that is heartbreaking, man. You shouldn't have gone far, lived far. Nobody will stand this kind of gory, let me say, pain. Oh, man, it's too horrible, man. 2 legs. I think he died like a hero.
Okay.
He died like a hero. May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.